Welcome to Cooking with the Cowles. Here's my assistant Owen, and I am Jack. And today we're going to be making no-bake cookies. And the ingredients is milk, peanut butter, oatmeal, oats, Hershey's cocoa, sugar, and the utensils with butter, a stick of butter. So now you grab a small pot, and then you grab one stick of butter. It's okay if it's cold, hot, whatever. You pour that in. You put that into the pot, and then you measure 2 cups of sugar and pour it into the pot. And then you take the cocoa and put it over, dump that into that, and add the milk. And then you turn the stove, then you bring it over to your stove and turn it on to like medium high. That's around like 7 if you have numbers. And then use a whisk or spatula. Today we're going to be using a spatula, and stir the butter and the pot around so it doesn't melt.
So right here I am mixing the butter, sugar, cocoa, and milk on a stove, and I know it's done when it's sort of like boiling. You'll know it's boiling when it's foaming, and usually that's going to be after the butter has melted. So that's sort of like your sign. I'm stirring continuously so it doesn't burn. So especially you want to sort of dig in so you can get the bottom.
While everything's on the stove, you go grab a large bowl. You pour the oats, the peanut butter. Might be a little tricky to get out. Let's grab a spoon here so I can get that out. This is ready for the melted chocolate mixture, so you can pour it in when it's done.
It's starting to bubble a little bit. You're gonna want it to bubble a little bit more, and I might have said earlier, but it's gonna be a bit foamy. Once that's ready, you're gonna set a 1-minute timer and stir it faster. As soon as it's boiling, you're gonna set a 1-minute timer, stir a bit faster than you may have been, and then after that, it's ready to go into the oats. Okay, so now is about the point where you'll want to start setting a timer for just 1 minute, and as soon you're gonna stir a bit faster than you have been, because now it's at the hottest point, and it's still just gonna get hotter, and you don't want it to burn. So keep stirring, and as soon as the timer's done, you pour it onto the oats. So now we're going to, once the timer's up, I'm gonna slowly pour it because you don't want to splatter any. But try and get it all over the mixture so it's easier to stir. Once that's done, start stirring.
Okay, so now we are here stirring it, and you want to make sure the peanut butter's all like melted in. Mixture's really hot, so now the peanut butter should be close to being done melting. And then if you haven't noticed, we haven't done the vanilla yet, so now we'll add it. And then you mix it in again a lot. So then once that's done, you'll get parchment paper, and we'll scoop them on. And once they're done, once you're done scooping, they'll be done in around like 20-ish minutes. You might have to let them cool down longer, maybe. And they might, and they'll turn out great. They're delicious cookies, and 20 minutes later, we'll get them out again to show you. So after 20 minutes, your no-bake cookies will be done. And we're Owen and Jack. Thank you for cooking with the Cowles. And the recipe will be below.